Hello, my esteemed clients. I'm your amiable lady Reto. I'm here live again to introduce to you our newest estate, Meridian Boulevard, located in Lekki-Ajah, okun-Ajah, precisely off Ogombo Road. We are just launching this estate today. Today is Thursday, 5th November 2020. This is a hot buy, and we have limited plots. As you can see the estate layout, so you can see it's not much. I came here with my client and my fellow consultants, colleagues here to inspect for the launching of this estate. I'll go inside and you see the beautiful houses of this estate. It's a new estate and it's a buy and build. And this is the land in this house is selling for like 30 million or above. And how much you have here with just 21 million to get this land. And this place is a hot cake. You know okun-Ajah very well. Off Ogombo Road, Adesanya. You know what it costs to buy a land from Adesanya. Just about 5 minutes or less than 5 minute drive from Adesanya to this place. I'll go inside and you see that there are people living there. And another good thing is that, do you know that with 2.5 million you can key into this estate and you spread the balance for 18 months. Amazing, right? And we also have 300 square meter and about 500 square meters. Follow me as we go inside. I will show you. You see the neighborhood in this area. But this place is not a bush. It's not an isolated. It's a built-up environment. So I'm here to show you the neighborhood. Look at the neighborhood. Look at that environment. Look at the building over there in that houses. Look at the building in that houses. Look at the building. Look at the building in that houses. And look at the building. Look at the buildings. It's in the neighborhood, so it's not in the bush. And we are delivered to you a service plot of land, and development have commenced here. Road construction of the road in the internal construction of the road in the estate, and the drainage system. The price is all encompasses. You don't have to pay any other thing to take possession of this land. I'm going to the main road so that you see the access route, and it will be plastered to that lead to this estate. So here we are at the access route. This is the access route. We drove into this place, so it's accessible and it's going to be hard too. So we are giving you a top-notch estate where you can have your mansion built in this environment, where you can have and you have security. We are going to deliver to you. Look at what we are going to offer: electricity, potable water supplies, security, swimming pool, perimeter fencing, paved road, all in this estate, everything in this estate. So you won't like to miss it. If you are looking for a top-notch estate to buy in Lekki, and it's a dry land. It's going to be dry land. There is no need of. It's going to be a well-structured land. That the drainage system is going to be amazing. You will like it. So I look forward to seeing you buying this amazing estate. Once again, I'm your amiable lady Reto, based divine as I say. I look forward to seeing you gaining this amazing offer. Contact me on the number on the screen, and please kindly like and share. I would love to do more business with you, and I would like you to enjoy your investment in this place. Thank you.